Hello friends, myself Rajesh and you are watching Excel Infinity. In this video, we are going to cover Excel text functions concatenate, concat, text join and trim. To watch this video in Hindi, visit our Hindi channel Excel Eternal. The link is available in the description below. So let's get started. Concatenate is available in Excel from quite some time, but concat was introduced in 2016. If you check in the list of text functions, concatenate is missing, but if try to use it, it will appear. But you can watch a yellow triangle with exclamation mark with concatenate. This is actually a warning by Microsoft. You can go through this warning in the help of concatenate, which inform us that a new function concat is introduced and Microsoft is telling us to use concat instead of concatenate, and this function may not be available in future version of Excel, and concatenate is available right now due to backward compatibility. So now let's check the syntax of concatenate and concat. Syntax for both the functions are same. Text 1 is mandatory and text 2 or text 3 are optional. You may or may not use it. Let's understand these functions with an examples. In these examples, I have created a table with 4 columns which containing country code, city code, operator prefix and number. This is telephone number in Indian style. If we need to create complete telephone number using concatenate or concat function. First we will do it with concatenate, then concat. I am applying concatenate first. In concatenate we need to use individual cells. Concatenate not accept complete range. So we need to select individual cells like this. Now we can drag this to down. This is how we can use concatenate. In concat you can select a range. No need to select individual cells. We can select this range BE to BE5 in one go. Press enter and your result is ready. So you understand the difference. In concatenate we need to select individual cells. In concat we can select a range. This is the difference. But one more thing, in concat you can select cells or range, but in concatenate you can select only individual cells. We will understand this in more detail in second example. In this example I have created one table with individual words, and we will create a complete sentence by joining these words. These words are 2-word, 3-word and 4-word sentence, but in some cells are blank, which will create blank space in the sentence. So first let's create with concatenate. We need to select individual cells. After each word we need to give blank space, so this also we need to give manually. third cell, again space, and finally fourth cell. Enter. Our sentence is ready. The one problem is there, wherever blank space are there, in sentence also blank space, the sentence having blank spaces, unwanted space is there, which we need to remove. For this we can use another function of Excel, which is trim. The syntax of trim is trim and text from which you wanted to remove unwanted space. So if I apply trim before concatenate, it will remove the space, unwanted space, like this. Now it is okay. In concat we can select a range, but for making sentence we cannot select range, because we need to give blank space in between words, and there is no way to give space in a range. So we need to select individual cells only, like concatenate. Here also we need to apply trim before concat to remove unwanted space. So you must notice that while creating complete telephone number, concat was better, but for making sentences from words, by adding words, concatenate and concat are same. Now let us check in text join. First of all, let us check the syntax of the text join. The syntax of text join is delimiter. Delimiter is like in second example, we have given this space after each word, so we can give space or dash or comma by applying this delimiter. Ignore empty. We can ignore empty cells like this. In this concatenate and concat we need to apply trim for removing unwanted space, but in text join we can remove those spaces simply applying true here, ignore empty space. Then same like concatenate and concat, text 1, text 2, etc. Let's apply the text join. Delimiter is space, then ignore empty, I am selecting true. In text join we can select range. I have selected range. The formula is ready. So what we have done in concatenate and concat with two Excel functions, we can do with single function in text join. So I think you understand where we need to use concat and where we need to use text join. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please let me know by pressing the like button. If you want me to cover any specific topic or have any doubt, query regarding the video, do let me know in the comment section. For more Excel tips and tricks, please visit my blog jupitersolutions.in, for which link is mentioned in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.